no, don't do it, don't do it, no, don't do it. As you can see, autumn is now truly upon us, and there's going to be lots to do in the garden. You may think, coming into the autumn or the winter, it's going to go quiet in the garden, but there is going to be so much to do because things are dying down, things are dying back. Hedges and shrubs need trimming before the winter. You'll need a pruner to cut those up as well. So it's a great time of year to think about getting a pruner and a fantastic trimmer. This is the Webb Eco pruning saw with an extension pole, and this is a brilliant piece of kit. This has a chain speed of 4.9 meters per second, giving a really precise cut, and it's a cordless machine run on a 20-volt 2 amp-hour battery, a powerful battery with up to a 40-minute runtime. So you can use this as a fabulous pruner for pruning trees, cutting branches, cutting up falling branches if you want to as well. Really lightweight, very easy to use, very powerful, super sharp chain there as well. And if you want to, you can then put it onto an extension pole. And this extension pole is telescopic, actually going from 166 to 233 centimeters. You've got that fantastic high reach as well. And this has got a 15-centimeter cutting bar, so you're going to be able to cut quite thick pieces of wood with this. And of course, because it's cordless, you can take this wherever you need it to be. So if a friend of the family, a relative or somebody has had a tree come down, you can take the equipment to where you need it to be to do the job, and you've got that reassurance of that 3-year guarantee as well. This is the Webb Eco 50-centimeter hedge trimmer, and I adore this machine. I've used this for trimming lavender hedges. I've used it on topiary. It's lightweight, it's easy to use, it's efficient, it's powerful. It's run on this 20-volt lithium 2 amp-hour battery that will keep this machine running up to 48 minutes. And also there's a 3-year guarantee on this machine as well. It's laser cut blade on here as well, giving you an incredibly super sharp blade. And this is just so ideal for trimming hedges, for trimming shrubs, for trimming down all those dead perennials at the end of the year. And you're not going to get arm ache or elbow ache or anything else with this, because as I say, this is lightweight, it's easy to use. You've got the nice little guard there at the front. There's 2 points of contact on this as well, so your hands are always free from the blade, and it's just going to give you many hours over the years of fantastic, happy trimming and hedge shaping. This is the Webb Eco long reach hedge trimmer and pruner, and it's a brilliant piece of kit because it's actually 2 tools in one. It's a hedge trimmer, but also it's a pruner as well. And the hedge trimmer comes with a 50-centimeter blade, really nice long blade, and adjustable head as well, so you can actually adjust to various cutting angles depending on whether you want to do a top of a hedge, a side of a hedge, or topiary, for example. But also we have a pruner. The pruner comes with a 20-centimeter cutting bar, so you're going to be able to cut through really large pieces of wood. And also that chain has a revolution rate of 8,000 revolutions per minute. So that is a really powerful motion on there that's going to cut through those tough bits of wood and trees and things when they come down as well. And if that wasn't enough, you can actually put all these onto the extension bar, so you can reach up nice and high. You don't need to use ladders and steps and trestles as often as you would with a conventional machine. And we love this piece of equipment so much. It has a 3-year guarantee. It's just the perfect time of year because we're in that part of the year now. So much is dying down, so much needs to be trimmed and shaped. And of course, we'll soon have quite windy conditions where branches and trees and things will come down. And with the pruner as well, it gives you the power to actually cut through all those fallen branches and use that wood for your chiminea, for your fireplace, or just cutting up nice and small to take it down to the tip. So a fantastic piece of equipment, a dual piece of equipment. Webb Eco is the name to look out for if you want to purchase a piece of equipment like this.